Well, it's another day. Yesterday was pretty much cleanup and recovery, which I didn't have too hard of a time doing. And today I don't know what we're doing, but I'm going to find a thick steak, make steak and eggs or something. Definitely I want to find a steak.
See? It's like that? Yeah, yeah, one more like that.
So I went to the market, got 2 steaks, some more oyster mushrooms, some blackberries, avocados, peppers, onion. I don't know what this is. They just threw that in. And then some salsa for about 210 pesos. And that's about 11.50, I think, U.S. currency. Okay, this is the last basic meal I'm making here. It's going to be with cheese, tortillas, with the last of the oyster mushrooms, onion, and garlic with olive oil. Real basic. I do enjoy cooking on this. The steak I did came out pretty good. You just had I had to slice it the correct way against the grain. Basics.